Welcome again to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'll be talking about this platform that is called Itechtips.io. So this platform, they actually have their own native token. So it's the world of automated cryptocurrencies investing platforms that gives you access to invest and make money online. So in this video I'll be showing you how they are going to give you this particular bonus of 115 USDT for free as a new user on this platform. So just stick with me while I show you step by step method through which you can be able to maximize this offer and make profit for yourself. So now you can actually come to this website and read up about this project. So they are going to be listing their token any moment from now. So as you can see this countdown here, so the IQ ICO will be starting on in the next 41 days. So get ready guys. As you claim this token, make sure I will show you how you can be able to start making profit from it and be withdrawing every day on this platform. So now as a new user, what you're going to do is to hit on the link in the description of this video, and then you get to click on this registration here. So just tap on this. So we are going to see how we can be able to benefit from this bonus of 115 USDT free on this platform. So you just hit on register. Now what you're going to do is to fill in your details as they are required. So the first one is going to be your login username, then you create you put your email address here, then followed by your password and its confirmation. Then you tap on this this little little round button that is showing that you should verify that you're not a robot. So immediately you are done with that, you simply hit on this create an account. So successfully, when you've created an account, you'll be prompted to log in to your own dashboard. So let me quickly log into my dashboard and then let's proceed guys. So I'm going to click on this I'm not a robot and select images that are containing cars. So let's just quickly do that and proceed with the video. So let me now put in login details for successful login. So I need to put my username here. So what I need to do is to put my username right there, this option. So I'll now tap on this again to verify. So I now have to log into my account. So successfully I've logged into my account right now guys. So as you can see that what we have here is just we have our dashboard right now, and here we have $25, and here when you look down here you see that we have 164 INI token, that is equivalent to 90.2 USDT. So when you sum up these two amounts together, you are going to have the equivalent of what the platform has issued to us for free. So now I'm going to show you the next steps you're going to take in order to maximize this bonus that you've been given on this platform. So you can see that this token is going to worth 1 INI is going to worth 0.55. So when you look up right here, you will see that there is estimation that have been given right here. So what we are going to do is to proceed with the next step. So what we are going to do here is to click on this create deposit. So we are going to maximize this 25 USDT. Then this particular one will be here when they finally launches their token. Then we can be able to withdraw into our desired cryptocurrency wallet address. So you now click on this create token by this side of the screen. So just click on create token here. So when I click on create token, so a new page like this will pop up. So the first plan here is the one that will require a minimum of 10 USDT to get started, but because we have 25 USDT, so it's within the range of this particular one. So they have different tariff plans here. So the first one, the second one will be giving us 2.50%. The same goes with this business plan, which will give us 3.50%, and 4.20% being the premium plan. So but because of the balance that we have right now, we are going to tap into this, and the deposit term is going to be in the next 40 days. So and uh, plan will be running continuously till 40 days. So now, as we have selected this, what we are going to do is to click on this particular place that is showing amount. So we are going to put 25 right here now. So we're going to put 25 now. So we're going to clean this one, and then we'll put 25. So now the next thing we're going to do is to hit on this create a deposit button. So just click here. So when you click here, you see that the daily profit will be 0.25. It's already calculated for us here now, and the total profit is going to be $34. So in the next 40 days, we'll be getting this from this platform. So guys, the next thing you're going to do is to hit on create now. So now successfully our plan has been created. So let's just go back to our dashboard and view what we now have. So as you can see that our bonus here has been moved from this account balance to our active deposit. So you can see that we have actually created our plan now, and this is where we'll be making profit every day using this free offer that has been given onto us now. So if you also want to earn this token as well, the more you share your link, copy it right here on your screen and share, let others sign up, and then you get little amount of this token for yourself and keep accumulating till they finally launch this project. So now on daily basis, you can come to this place and tap on get bonus. So as you can see, get bonus to your account. This bonus amount will be between the range of 0.01 to this. So after the bonus can receive after every 24 hours, you come to this place and receive it every day. So that is actually other ways you can maximize this platform as well. So you can also stake this any that you have by tapping on staking any token, and every other things can keep running like that. So if you come to active deposit, you will see that this is particularly the one we actually activated now, and it will be running for us till the next 40 days when our total profit and the capital will be returned. So now what we're going to do is to click on this withdraw function. So after we might have reached the desired section, the span of time we want this project to run for us, so the capital we have invested and the profit, all the sum of our making will be withdrawn. So you can use any of these cryptocurrencies listed here to withdraw your profit on this platform. So you can use Bitcoin, you can use BNB, and you can use USDT or LITECOIN, depending on the choice you have for withdrawal. So that is basically how you can be able to make free USDT on this platform by receiving 100 this particular bonus for free on this platform, guys. So if you have gotten value from this video, kindly give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe, guys, so that you get to be notified whenever I upload another video like this. So you can also come to this place and copy your contract address and add it to your trust wallet. So just copy the smart contract of any here, then add it. So this is the smart contract. So anyway, let me just, I'll drop the address so that you can be able to add the token right here on your wallet. So guys, thank you for watching. See you in my next video.